सो वेलकम एव्हरीवन. पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत आहे बघा सगळ्यांचं. वेलकम टू सदैव क्लासेस. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट युअर नेक्स्ट लेसन अँड द नेम ऑफ द लेसन इज अल्केमी ऑफ नेचर. सो व्हॉट इज अल्केमी ऑफ नेचर? लेट्स सी गाइस. येस. अल्केमी ऑफ नेचर. 2 मिनिटं. So something as tiny as grain of sand can spark off an idea or imagination of a huge significance to the world. One can witness the experience the beauty of heaven in something as small as wildflower and derive joy forever. Only one should have the eyes and time to see it. Infinity is endless space, but your small palm can hold the destiny of earth through your efforts. Eternity is endless time, but just an hour in your life can make a difference to the world forever. Now, so great deeds can surpass the limit of the time and space. They never die. They never die. So we instinctively turn to outdoor activities and nature as a way of relaxing and enhancing our well-being. Nature soothes and nurtures. Nature fulfills and motivates. Nature whispers and commands. Are you listening? When I do, it leaves me in couple of awe. It leaves me in couple of awe. We have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Every fortnight, a flower blooms on it, big, bright, and tender. Through the day, it smiles with the sun and dances with the wind, but as evening approaches, it starts wilting. The morning after it reaches, withers completely, and by evening, it falls and becomes one with the earth again. The flower comes to life only for a day, yet it does not. Yeah, sorry. Yet it does so in the full splendor. What if we too lived our life, however short as its fullest? We went to a rocky beach and saw the spread of the majestic ocean and rock alongside carved, sculpted, and sharp by water. Water is so gentle. Water is so gentle. Rock, sorry, rock so hard, yet as the water flows over it every day for years, the rock gives in. It takes the shape of that the water commands. Our problems are colossal and we are so small, yet we persist. We saw small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. It left us thinking, however impossible thing may look, there is always an opening. There is always an opening. Let's guys, I'll explain you. We saw a tree bare of all leaves in the cold winter months. We thought its chapter was over, but 3 months passed. Spring set it, and the tree was back to its green majesty once again, full of leaves, flowers, birds, and life. What if we too have conviction that, however difficult things are right now, it will not remain so forever? Remember, this too shall pass. We saw an army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times ant size. The ants organized themselves around the fly, lifted it on a frail feelers, and carried it to quite a distance. Their teamwork and sorry, yes, the teamwork and perseverance were impressive. What if we do consistent, organized, focused? Spider webs are delicate, are yet strong. Rainbow colors enter sky. Oysters take a grain of sand. They open up with a wall. Innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. Clouds take new shapes with every passing moment. The wind makes trees dance with unhindered passion. Water without hint of ego changes its form according to the dictates of the sun and the wind. When we see a caterpillar turn into a butterfly or a flower turns into a fruit, we experience the alchemy of nature. We touch it and become gold ourselves. It is written by Raksha Bhararia. I'll explain you.